Simple past tense.
You are a thief! I saw you steal my money yesterday. I put it in my pencil case and you stole it. No, I didn't. You did! I didn't steal your money. It dropped on the floor and I just put it back. His family is always broke, so I am sure that he did take your money. We don't want to talk to you, you coward. Go ahead, charge. Hey, what are you doing? I remembered all of your faces already, and I'll go to your school to report this bullying behavior. Run? Don't run? What? Definitely run! What happened, boy? Nothing. Are you afraid? Me? Not at all. That's good. As I observed, your eyes showed no fear, right? Yeah, I intended to beat all of them, but you happened to interfere. Luckily, you didn't do that earlier. Fighting is a big problem, and you'll get punished by school for it, you know. But they angrily accused me of stealing their money. No one believes me just because my family is not as rich as theirs. They once put chewing gum residue on my chair, then I sat on it, and they laughed out loud together. They did it on purpose, didn't they? At the beginning of the semester, they told me that I was a coward and made a fool of myself. But now I don't let them do it to me again. Why didn't you tell your parents? No, I can't. You don't understand it. My mom used to work in a meat factory. However, one day she was recklessly lost one hand by the machine. Now she stays at home and does some petty jobs to get money. I don't want her to worry about me. What about your father? He passed away. Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, he gambled away all my mom's saving money, which made my family become poorer and poorer. So I consider that I don't have a father. Hey, little boy, what's your name? My name is Steve. Which grade are you in? I'm in grade 4. You look much smaller than a 4th grader. Yeah, that's right. Last month I had to skip breakfast and could only have one meal after that, lunch or dinner. But this month my mom gets a little more money, so I can have 2 meals a day. Okay, Steve, I'm not sure that the things I'm going to say can help you much or not, but I think I have to tell you. Steve, first, I believe that you are not the thief as they say. Second, you are a very courageous boy. And the last one, I want to emphasize that being poor is not your fault. It even makes you greater instead because of the way you live. I know you don't like your father, but I think he is one of your teachers in your life who comes in the form of your father teaching you how to live independently, to empathize with others, and showing you how a good father should be. You can create your life that you dream of right now by thinking of it, putting your emotion in it, and trying your best by learning so hard. Your dream will come true. Really? I always pray every night that my mom and I can eat KFC one day. Okay, I'll help you make this dream come true. Really? Thank you. Let's go, little boy. I got a gift for you after my short trip. Ah, thank you, dear. How is it going? I can't believe that you spent your trip with Thomas. Why not him? I don't know. It was just something kind of weird, I guess. You guys loved each other, then broke up, and loved and broke up, and now you guys started again. Sounds like an endless cycle. Oh, come on. I had such a great trip with him. He took me to lunch at a Korean restaurant. I also had that chicken where I poked it and all the butter squirted out. Then we took a walk down the street to get some fresh air. And I told him not to, but he got me a little bottle of Dior. It was such an enjoyable trip. That's nice, huh? So was that before or after you told him not to send you flowers and gifts? Oh, come on, Ellen. Who used to say, "Leave me alone, I don't want to see you anymore"? It was Lisa in the past. Just forget her. Right. But, it was so nice to see him again. How did you feel? It was comfortable and it was familiar. That just was really nice. Yeah, that's nice twice. To be honest, I want to pose the question, what is going on? I mean, isn't it the same Thomas who left you at that cafe? Yeah, but it was totally different him today. He wasn't like the snob I used to love and you used to see, I mean, we had fun. Ellen, honestly, I didn't expect that experience, but it suddenly happened on my way. Okay, put it aside. So, now, please tell me about the place where you had that trip. How was it? Yeah, this part can't be missed. He booked a trip to Korea, which was so surprising to me. I have never thought that one day I could have a chance to go there. When we were there, the weather was extremely good, which was cool and sunny. I also went to the beach to see the sun rising above the sea, then went for a swim. Oh, let me show you this one. Yeah? What's that? Thomas helped me take this picture of myself in the handbook. It felt like I was a queen in it. Ah, look at you. Oh, you look so happy in this photo. Moreover, we bought a tour to visit some old quaint villages, away from all this city hustle. That must be very charming. I bet you like it when you visit. They taught us how to make kimchi. After that, I realized that cooking hated me. Maybe you're the last person in the world to know it. Oh, sorry. It's Thomas. Hold your thought. Oh, Thomas is already waiting for me outside. I'm so sorry. No worries. Let's go with your call of love. I wish you happiness. Okay. See you next time. The one who always opens her heart and never stops believing in love is me. Bye. Yeah, see you. He booked a trip to Korea. It was such an enjoyable trip.